Make a great choice today with the 2018 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, power lift gate, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.